Now, I'd like to just mention that USAID has been supporting the Forman Lecture for some years now, and also has created a fellowship, the Forman Fellowship. And we have Elaine Gray, who can tell us a little bit about what this is.
Sure. Thank you. So we're delighted to be here with the Forman family. We're delighted to continue to support this really important lecture series to provide some thought-provoking discussion in a very complex and exciting field that we work in. And we're delighted to have Dr. Pumpkin as our distinguished speaker this year. To say a few words about the fellowship that Marie just mentioned, we have started a program about 4 years ago in Dr. Forman's honor. It's our Martin J. Forman Foreign Service National Fellowship program, and that's where we invite our very skilled, expert Foreign Service nationals, our officers from our missions, our country offices in the countries in which we work, to come and spend 6 to 8 weeks in a fellowship program with our teams in D.C. It not only gives them an excellent opportunity to network with many of our colleagues within and outside the agency in the D.C. area and across the United States, but also allows us an incredible opportunity to learn so much from their rich expertise from the countries in which they work. We really couldn't do the work that we do without having their eyes on the ground and their expertise from the field. So we're delighted to be here for this lecture series. We're delighted to continue to support it and to honor Dr. Forman's legacy through this important program. We're in between cohorts right now, so unfortunately we don't have any fellows with us today in the room, but we're excited for the next cohort to come visit us very soon. Thank you.